What is going on YouTube? Caleb here, just doing a quick little video. I am making some bone broth for my upcoming fast. I'm going to try to do like a week-long fast here, lose some weight. Ooh, I steamed up the camera there. So, one thing that you can have on a fast, aside from water, is bone broth. And you can either get that by buying something like Better Than Bouillon, which I do like a lot. Alternatively, you can make your own. It's super easy to make. Obviously, you need a slow cooker, some marrow bones. I got these at the local Sprouts, Willamette Valley Meat Company. I think they come in like packages of 5, like neck bones, or I don't know exactly what cut they are. So you just add it to some water and throw some seasonings in there, whatever you want. I like doing salt, garlic, thyme. And I'm not sure if you've heard of the Savory Spice Company. If you're in Colorado, these guys are over by Southlands Mall, and their spices are super good. So I threw some of this Capitol Hill seasoning in there, which is just shallots, salt, pepper, dill, parsley, and chives. Kind of perfect stuff for that. I might throw in a couple of cloves of garlic as well. And I did put in like a little bit of apple cider vinegar just to change it up. So I'm gonna let this thing cook on low for about probably till late this evening, and then by then all the fat should be rendered out of those bones and it'll be ready to drink. So yep, if you were curious about how to make bone broth, that's how you do it. It's pretty easy. Alright guys, talk to you soon.